On Windows, failure to activate Windows will limit your ability to personalize your machine, as well as to give a scarlet letter of shame reminding you to activate Windows. Now, if you also have the same problem, here's to activate your Windows product key. First up, you can do it by activating it online. Just open Settings on your computer, select System, click Activation, choose Change Product Key, then enter the 25-digit product key to activate Windows on your computer. Once done, click Activate to fully activate all of your Windows features on your computer. Now you just have to ensure that you're connected to the internet to finish the activation. You might also need to purchase the full version of Windows, and you can buy it online from the online store. Additionally, you'd also activate it via telephone. Just open Run, type in the following, press Enter, choose a language, click Next, then call the toll-free number on the screen to connect you to the Microsoft Activation Center, dial the CAPTCHA number provided, click Next, enter the unique installation ID using the phone keypad, then you have to enter one group at a time, then enter in the confirmation ID on your computer. After that, you have to choose Activate Windows to finish activation. And those are the two ways on how to activate your Windows product key on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.